What's up everyone, welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we have an unboxing video for you. The device we're going to unbox is a budget phone, which is the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. Now the speciality of this device, of course, is the price and the fact that you're getting a 5000 mAh battery under 7000 rupees. So what's in the box? What all do you get once you buy this phone? Let's take a look. Before watching this unboxing video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified when we publish new videos. So this is the box for the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. The name of the smartphone is written over here, and on the front here in the picture you can see 5000 mAh written, apart from Qualcomm's branding, and the fact that this has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Now the Xiaomi Redmi 8A also has another variant which has 16 GB of storage, but the variant we've got for review has 32 GB of storage. Okay, so the highlight feature we already spoken about is mentioned here. Now let's look at the other sides of the box to see what else is there. So this side has just the name of the phone. The other side also has the name of the phone, nothing on the base. And at the top there are some details which includes variant, I think even the color. Yes, color is also there, apart from some other manufacturing related details. Not very important. We can move to the back. Here we can see a lot of specifications mentioned, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor is the first one of them. 5000 mAh battery with support for 18-watt fast charging is mentioned here. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with a 6.22-inch display, and a 12 megapixel rear camera is also mentioned, and some other minor details like a P2I splash proof coating, etc. So I think let's begin the unboxing of the device. So I will start by peeling off this sticker. First, there's this cardboard sheet like thing. Once we open it, you can see the SIM eject tool right here. Open it further, you can see some more documents. Now we have the device itself here. Let me just get it out quickly. So there you have it. That's the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. Take off this plastic wrapper, put it here once more. This is the ocean blue color of the Redmi 8A, and here we have a sticker that says that it's a dual SIM device with a dedicated slot for a micro SD card. Okay, there's another sticker on the display. I'm going to peel that off too. Alright, so this is the device. Now let's start unboxing the rest of the stuff as well. I'm going to keep it here. Alright, so I'm going to boot the device and open it up. So there's one cardboard thing here. Let's move that out of the way. There's a USB cable. Now let's see, is this a Type-C cable? Yes, it's a USB Type-C cable. I'm going to keep this aside. Charger. Okay, this says 5 volts and 2 amps, so that means it's a 10-watt charger. So I'm going to keep this aside as well. And there's nothing else in the box, no headphones or anything, but then that's something we already expect. So I'm just going to move these things a little bit so that we can take a quick look at the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. So this is the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. Now you can already see after the setup is complete, it says it has MIUI 10, that's the software powering it. MIUI 10 is based on Android 9 Pie. So let's quickly finish the setup process. Okay, so the setup is complete finally. Alright, so this is the Redmi 8A as we've already mentioned. There's a Redmi branding here in the chin, which is a nice use of this empty space, I suppose. There's also a water drop style notch on this device. It's a budget device, so that's good to see. There's nothing out of the ordinary about this, or nothing to be criticized here as such. This is an 8 megapixel front camera right over here. A 6.22-inch display, and this display has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection, which is good to see at this price point. Now let's take a look at the device as well before we speak about other features. Now the volume buttons, volume and power buttons here on the right, and at the back there is a single rear camera. It's a 12 megapixel rear camera. There's also the sticker here which I mentioned before. It just says that it has a dedicated micro SD card slot, nothing else. And on the other side of this device there's a SIM tray, and at the base of the device 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port and a single speaker. At the top of the device, there's nothing but the secondary microphone. Okay, so that's the Redmi 8A. Now, we mentioned everything about this device except for the software. So MIUI 10 is what we saw before. MIUI 10 is based on Android Pie. We can quickly go to the settings and verify that once. So it has MIUI 10.3.1 stable version, and it is based on Android 9 Pie. So there you go, Android Pie for you. Would have been nice to see MIUI 11 on this device, but then honestly it's a budget device, so can't expect too much either. This has 2 GB of RAM as mentioned here, and this unit has 32 GB of total storage, 21 GB is available here, and it also has a 5000 mAh battery. So there's another variant of this device with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The price for that one is 6,499 rupees, and the price for this variant is 6,999 rupees. So just a 500 rupee difference between the two variants, and that is pretty much what we know about the Redmi 8A. Now the full review of the Redmi 8A is not yet done, so we'll be doing just that. And for now, that's all we have for this unboxing video. So that was a quick look at the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. What do you think about this device? Let us know via the comments, and for all things tech, don't forget to log on to gadgets360.com.